If you have started decluttering but find yourself losing momentum after a couple of weeks and dragging your feet, this week's video is for you. Tackling clutter is often exhausting and overwhelming. And once those feelings take over, it can be really easy to start procrastinating. I've been in the decluttering trenches myself, and let me tell you, it's not always rainbows and unicorns. That's why I'm a firm believer in celebrating our wins, no matter how small. Whether it's finally conquering that overflowing junk drawer or making it through a mountain of mail, every step forward deserves a high five and a reward to match. Yep, rewards are like the secret sauce to keeping us motivated, especially when it comes to decluttering. Our brains are naturally wired to seek out rewards. It's like they're little pleasure-seeking missiles, constantly on the lookout for anything that'll give us that warm and fuzzy feeling inside. And when we pair rewards with decluttering tasks, something magical happens. Think about it this way. You set a goal to tackle that overflowing closet of yours. It's overwhelming, to say the least. But then you promise yourself a little treat once you're done. Maybe it's a bubble bath. Maybe it's ordering takeout from your favorite restaurant. Suddenly, your desire to procrastinate is not as prevalent. You've got something to look forward to, a light at the end of a clutter-filled tunnel. So by incorporating rewards into your decluttering routine, you're not only making the process more enjoyable, but you're also priming your brain to associate decluttering with something incredibly positive. Now, when we're talking about rewards, we're not thinking about anything astronomical, such as a trip to Costa Rica. By the way, if you can afford it, by all means, go ahead. We're talking about these everyday basic rewards that are simple, but yet oh so satisfying. For those small victories, like finally conquering the medicine cabinet or going through your hair products, a great reward can simply be a fresh manicure. Other reward options can include treating yourself to your favorite dessert or snack. Drop a comment and let me know what snack is your little bit of guilty pleasure. You can also do what I oftentimes do, which is walk over to your favorite mom and pop coffee shop and get yourself that delicious latte. You can also take a leisurely bath with scented candles and calming music. You can enjoy a hot cup of tea or coffee while reading a book or watching a favorite TV show. Spending some time in nature is another great option, whether it's a walk in the park or simply sitting outside and soaking up the sun. You can indulge in a mini spa session at home with a nice little face mask. Set aside time for a creative activity you enjoy, such as drawing, crafting, or journaling. Have a cozy movie night with popcorn and your favorite film. Or simply reward yourself with a short nap or relaxation time after completing a decluttering task. Now let's level up a little bit. You've tackled the small task, and now maybe it's time to tackle
the big kahuna.
Maybe it's decluttering your entire garage, or finally organizing that mountain of paperwork. For these monumental achievements, you deserve something a little bigger. How about treating yourself to a fancy dinner at that restaurant you've been eyeing, or splurging on a new piece of furniture to elevate your space? I actually recently rewarded myself and got myself this brand new rug. Love it. It's all about celebrating your wins in a way that's both meaningful and practical. Now remember, we're decluttering here, so I'm in no way, shape, or form encourage you to run out to Home Goods and buy out half the store, right? As we are on our decluttering journey, more should actually leave our house than make its way back in. Remember, the key here is to find a reward that resonates with you and set that reward for yourself before you begin the task. If you're enjoying my video, don't forget to contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Next, let's talk about something that's just as important, if not more important, than having rewards incorporated into your decluttering journey. And that is, we need to remember to self-care. The truth is that decluttering can be a roller coaster ride. There will be highs, there will be lows, and there will definitely be moments when you feel like throwing in the towel and binge watching Netflix instead. And you know what? That's perfectly okay. Decluttering isn't just about organizing your physical space. It's also about nurturing your mental and emotional well-being. And that means showing yourself some kindness, giving yourself permission to take breaks, and having grace when things don't go according to plan. Step away from the chaos, take a deep breath, and instead do something that nourishes your soul. Maybe it's taking a walk in nature, practicing some yoga, or simply curling up with a good book and a cup of tea. Whatever it is, give yourself permission to recharge and refuel, especially when you're on this overwhelming, exhausting decluttering journey. It can be incredibly easy to just keep going and going and going and going and going. And lo and behold, you wake up one morning and you're like, my back hurts and I'm tired and I can't do this anymore. You don't want to get to that point. Rewards, self-care, and kindness are your biggest allies when you're on your decluttering journey. Brand new to decluttering, you can check out this video next, where I teach you all you need to know as a decluttering beginner. As always, thank you so much for watching. Good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourself.